Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Petco affiliate program, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect with the Petco affiliate program, start by visiting the official Petco website. Scroll to the bottom of the page to locate the affiliate program link. Click on the link to be directed to the Petco affiliate program page. Take a moment to read through the program details to understand the benefits and requirements. Look for the Join Now button on the affiliate page. Click on the Join Now button to begin the application process. You will be prompted to create an account with a valid email address. Fill in your personal information, including your name and location. Next, provide details about your website or platform where you plan to promote Petco products. Include any relevant metrics, such as your audience size and engagement rates. Once your account is set up, you will receive an email confirmation. Log into your new affiliate account after confirming your email. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the tools available. Check for available promotional materials, such as banners and links. Select the products or categories that align with your audience. Generate your unique affiliate links for the selected products. Share these links through your website, blog, or social media channels. Track your performance through the affiliate dashboard to monitor clicks and conversions. Be sure to stay updated on Petco promotions to maximize your earnings. Regularly engage with your audience by creating content around Petco products. Consider leveraging seasonal events and trends to promote relevant offerings. By following these steps, you will successfully connect with the Petco affiliate program and start earning commissions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.